Hard Hat Cam here, coming from IFCEE 2024 in Dallas, Texas. I'm here at Nucor Skyline's booth with Mr. Dave Borger, the legend, the myth, the man. How you doing today, Dave?
I'm great, John. How are you?
I'm doing good. How's the show been for you so far?
The show has been excellent.
Yeah, good foot traffic?
Good foot traffic. Met a lot of people, introducing our young guys to the industry and the people around here. And excellent.
It's always a great part of what we do. Definitely. So tell me a little about Nucor Skyline.
So Nucor is North America's largest steel manufacturer, right? 30-something thousand employees, 30 million tons of steel a year. And Skyline is the small foundation division of Nucor. So everything Skyline does, despite the name Skyline, goes in the ground. It's all steel piling, steel bar, anchors, micropiles.
I couldn't do what I do without Skyline.
Oh, well, we appreciate the business.
Yeah. So I hear corrosion is a really hot topic right now. So what's Skyline, Nucor got in the works to deal with corrosion?
So corrosion is always a big question. We get questions from contractors and engineers all the time. How long is the steel going to last? What can I do to make the steel last longer? So it's a perennial problem. Steel corrodes. Everybody knows it. And I think that the big difference between what our position on corrosion and what we see in the industry is a lot of engineers will design a steel section and then they think, I have to add the protection to the steel. So they add coating, or they galvanize it, or they make it thicker, kind of after they've done the design. And our position is kind of that the durability of that section, or the corrosion, should be part of the design. And
so you're referring to sacrificial steel?
Sacrificial steel, but possibly steel grade, or the chemistry of the steel. There are corrosion-resistant steels, depending on the environment you're in, and really thinking about what constitutes end of life for a structure. For example, driven pile. A lot of times the highest stresses a driven pile sees is during installation. You don't have to worry about corrosion during installation. The pile's brand new. And maybe the stresses down the road are actually lower, and it can handle more corrosion. And a lot of times we find that the industry does not approach things that way. So we think it's always worth having a conversation about how to make my steel element last, whether it's a soil nail or a sheet pile or a micropile, whatever it happens to be.
So as a contractor, if I'm looking at a specification or design and they're calling for an epoxy coating or galvanizing or something of that line, like what should I do? Should I reach out to you? How would you guys handle that?
We always like to get the phone call with a question of, what is your opinion? What do you think we should do here to save a little money and make this better for the owner? And so you can call your Skyline rep, you can call me, and I'll try to get you in touch.
All right, Dave, what is your phone number for everybody out there so they can call you at all hours of the night?
201.
No, don't say it.
So always happy to get the phone call with a question, though. We're here to help.
Well, that's fantastic. I appreciate the information you gave us on corrosion, how we can deal with it, things to work out. I guess the biggest thing to do is a phone call. So
that's what we prefer.
all right.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dave.
Thanks, John.